Welcome in the kitchen. So glad you're here. It's Sunday supper. It is, and I didn't show y'all what I cooked, but I'm going to show you my biscuits. I'm going to make some biscuits. I put us a roasted potatoes and carrots in the slow cooker. That's the easiest thing in the world to do. I have a video on it already. It takes 10 minutes to get your supper in that slow cooker and turn it on, and y'all, you can go about your day and come in, make you a biscuit, and you've got your supper. So that's what I did this morning. I threw me a roast and some potatoes and carrots in that slow cooker, and it smells so good. And so that's Sunday supper for us tonight anyway. So we're going to make us some biscuits, and you need self-rising flour. Self-rising flour. Okay? And I'm going to scoop some of that out right here into this bowl. Probably about 2 cups. Maybe a little more. About 2 cups. Y'all, I don't measure this. I've never measured it. I don't know how to measure. I think y'all already know that. That I don't know how to measure. All right, now we're going to go right in this just like this. Do you see what I'm doing? I'm just kind of patting it down through the middle. Right like that. I'm going to grab me a spatula because I got to get me out some Crisco. Spoon will work. Got us a spoon. That'll work. And I'm going to get out about that much. About a handful. Right in there. All right. Now I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to start mixing this in just like this. Just mix it up. You want to break that up real fine. You just want to break it up. Just like so. Into little bitty pieces. You can use a pastry blender, but I'm using my hand. That's what God gave me. So that's what I'm using. Here comes Andy and Cocoa Puff. And he's going through. I bet he's going to get in the shower. He does that when he comes in from outside. He takes a gazillion showers a day sometimes, and I swear I can't keep towels washed. I said I'm going to have to buy more just so we can have clean ones. All right, y'all. I've got that broken up in there, and it's just little bitty pieces. You can use butter if you want to. I don't have any butter. I've already shaken this buttermilk up. So I'm just going to pour me some buttermilk in there. That's about a cup. And you just want to start mixing this. You just want to mix it with your hand. And you notice I'm keeping this one out of here so I can pour more buttermilk if I need to. And I'm going to need to. Need a little bit more. Just like that. And the oven is on 500 degrees, y'all. Tea kettle's getting ready to whistle at me. And that dough is about right. It's about what you want. All right, I'm going to clean off my fingers here, just like that. All right, now I'm going to fix this tea, and I'll be right back. Okie doke, here we go. Here we go. Buckle up, here we go. All right, we're through with the buttermilk. I don't think we need any more buttermilk. Now then, self-rising flour. We'll use this pastry mat right here. Put me just a little sprinkling there, just like that. Spread it out. I am going to get me a spatula to scoop that out with so I get it all. Y'all know I don't like to leave any. Y'all know I don't like to leave any. No, I do not. And y'all, if this is drier than I like, I'll just put me some more buttermilk in it and work it right in here. But I think it's going to be just fine. And it's getting all happy, happy, happy. See, I just fold it and press it down. Just fold it and press it. You're not really kneading it. You're just folding and pressing. That's what'll make the layers in your biscuits, y'all. It's just this right here. And yes, I said 500 degrees for the oven. I did. I said it was at 500 degrees. All right, now then, let me wash my hands again. Y'all, I wash my hands constantly. I know y'all know that because I'm always going to let me wash my hands. Right? Have I got some butter? Yes, I do. Right here's my butter. All right, here's my iron skillet. That's what I bake these in, is this iron skillet right here. We want some butter. Yeah, we do. We want some butter. I'm going to do about 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm just going to go all over this skillet just like this. All right, here we go. Good and greased up with 2 tablespoons of butter. All right, let me wash my hands again. Now then, we're going to cut out our biscuits. I think y'all can see down in here good. Yeah, you can see good. Here we go. There we go. I think I'm going to mash that out just a little bit flatter. I don't want it to be quite that tall. And you want to kind of put them close together because you want them to go up, not out. You want them to raise up, not out. I'll get one right there in the middle. Now then, we just take this and do the same thing. We're not working any more flour into it. We're just cutting out our biscuits now at this point. All right, let's see. We can make one more. This is what you do with that. There you go. Not a drop wasted. I'm going to put these in that 500-degree oven. And when it's 500 degrees, they raise really fast. And that's what makes them get real high and fluffy, okay? I'm going to pop these in this oven. I'll be back in just a few minutes, maybe 10, 15 minutes is all they bake. And I'll show you what they look like. Y'all look at these beautiful biscuits. Look at these biscuits. Aren't those pretty biscuits? Took us, what, just a couple minutes to whip them out here? Easy peasy. People have been making biscuits for hundreds of years. They have. at the bottom of it. Look at that. I'm going to get a knife and put some butter on it. I'm going to show y'all a trick to buttering a hot biscuit. Look at that. Use a spoon. Use a spoon. You're going to butter a hot biscuit. Yum. Yum, yum. Nothing better than a homemade biscuit, y'all. If you've got your good old fresh tomato and a biscuit, you got a meal, honey. That's all you need. Biscuits and tomatoes. Maybe a cucumber on the side. Oh my goodness. I could make a meal on that. I sure could. I have too. All right, we're going to eat our supper here. Y'all remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. That'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.